What if I told you that a security researcher just made Microsoft Edge dump every safe password in clear text with a script so simple you will question why it even works? That's exactly what Tom Jøran uncovered, and we are diving into it. This is not a clickbait, guys. The browser you might be using right now, Microsoft Edge, is loading all of your saved passwords into your computer's memory in plain text, and Microsoft says this is working as intended. So let's just quickly open the CMD and check our privileges. By the way, you can also use PowerShell for this exploit. Go to File and click on Open PowerShell as an admin, and you will be good to go. Now let's quickly copy the path so we can change CMD directory to it. Use cd command and paste the exploit destination path and hit enter. Before we jump into the exploitation, let's quickly check Microsoft Edge settings. As you can see, the passwords are itself password protected. You need a password or PIN just to view them. That means even if an attacker gains admin access, either through an exploit or during a red team engagement, they can't just open the password manager and read your credentials. Seems secure, right? Well, let's find out. Okay, and before the final exploit, let's add one more user. Go to settings, click on password and autofill, go to password manager and click on add website URL, username. The username can be Mr. Beast or maybe Privacy Guru, and password. And we are done. So let's double check once again. Google, go back, refresh, and maybe check once again. Okay, all done. Let's close the browser and reopen it. And now go to settings. Let's go to password and autofill, mark password manager, check if it's asking for a password. Okay, that's good. Let's go back to CMD, and now let's rerun our exploit. And here we got all of the credentials that were stored in the memory. Cool. Now here's the objection a lot of people raise. If you already have admin access, it's game over anyway. You can do whatever you want. Let's test that idea. If admin access truly means all doors are open, then the same memory dump should expose passwords from Chrome. But when we actually try it on Chrome, we get nothing. The world stays locked. That's because Chrome adds an extra layer called app-bound encryption, ABE. It ties the decryption key to a trusted Chrome process, so other programs can't just stroll in and grab the data. Edge, on the other hand, pops open the whole world at launch and leave it in plain sight. The important thing to understand is this is not some unavoidable rule of how computer works. It's a design decision Microsoft made, and that's what makes it a security story worth paying attention to. Now let's talk about where this gets truly dangerous. Of course, shared environments. Imagine a company with 50 employees logged in. An attacker compromises one account with local admin rights on a well-designed system that should limit the damage to that single user session. But because Edge has decrypted every logged in user's password in memory, that attacker can now harvest credentials from all 50 users simultaneously. Tom Jøran's proof of concept video demonstrated exactly this. One compromised account gave access to credentials from 2 other logged in users. This is the critical difference between I have lost my machine and I have just handed every credential in my organization to an attacker. In enterprise environments, admin access on one session should never logically grant access to the plain text credential of another user. So that's the Edge clear text dump. Researcher Tom Jøran found it. I showed you how to use it. If you want more red team stuff, bug bounty tips, and ethical hacking deep dives, subscribe and turn on notifications. Like this video if you are going to test the PoC in your lab, and comment your take, vulnerability or by design. And please let me know if you guys want lab setup guide for this proof of concept. Catch you in the next one. Fi amanillah.